How does a dishwasher make dishes clean? By spraying hot water and using detergent. Which scientist first proposed the theory of continental drift? Alfred Wegener. What response causes one to run away or freeze when feeling fear? Fight or flight response. Why can a drone fly? Lift generated by its propellers. What structure connects bones to other bones? Joint. Which tissue in a plant stem transports nutrients? Phloem. What are the main characteristics of Neptune? Blue, gaseous composition and strong winds. In which state of matter does sound travel the fastest? Solid. What are the two main parts that make up the human nervous system? Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Which is the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere? The exosphere. When energy moves through an ecosystem via food chains, how does the amount of usable energy change at each trophic level? It decreases. Which part of the brain regulates human body temperature? Hypothalamus. Which substance is released when mood improves? Dopamine. What are the three requirements for a combustion reaction? Fuel, oxygen, and an ignition source. What is the technology called that allows AI to recognize images? Computer vision. What does the heart beating faster during exercise signal? Greater oxygen demand. Which brain structure is important for feeling and expressing emotions? The amygdala. What is the event called when Earth's shadow falls on the moon? Lunar eclipse. Which lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere is where weather occurs? Troposphere. What is the force that acts outward from the center when an object undergoes rotational motion? Centrifugal force. What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond. Why does it take more effort when you walk against the wind holding an umbrella? Because it experiences air resistance. What is the scientific reason VR devices feel realistic? They simulate sensory stimuli. Which planet in the solar system has the largest mass and volume? Jupiter. What phenomenon does Earth's revolution, orbit, produce? Seasonal changes. What social problem could decrease with advanced autonomous driving technology? Traffic accidents. What is the fundamental cause of wind? Pressure difference. Which change of water state absorbs the most heat? Vaporization. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury. What layer composes the surface of the Earth? The crust. What is the approximate average radius of Earth in kilometers? Approximately 6,400 kilometers. What happens to sound when an amplifier is used? It becomes louder. What is the method called by which AI learns on its own? Machine learning. What is the basic principle of nuclear power generation? Nuclear fission chain reaction. In which digestive organ are digested nutrients primarily absorbed? Small intestine. What does the phenomenon of light scattering describe? Light being scattered by small particles. What condition is required for total internal reflection to occur? An incidence angle greater than the critical angle. What is the shape of Earth's orbital path? Ellipse. The cosmic microwave background radiation is a relic of which astronomical event? The Big Bang. What is the phenomenon by which an LED produces light? Electroluminescence. Thanks for watching all the way through. Share your science knowledge in the comments. Your support helps us create even more science quizzes. See you in the next one.